In this video, I'll be showing you how you can find and open a Word document file on your PC. It's simple and easy. So you launch your Microsoft Word like this, and then at the home page, you move to open here. So on here, you're going to find the recent files you've worked on here. So this is for recent, but then if you can't find the file you are trying to work on, you move to the browse section here, and then you glance through any of the folders you think this file will be in. So let's say, I think it should be at the document section. So I come here and I see cover letters. Let me try glance through something different. Okay, but I'm not finding anything extraordinary here. Yeah, but then you just select any of them and then you open it and you're good to go. So let's say I'm trying to do something like this. So I would come here. I have a file I want to open, which is my recent, and I open this, and that's it. After opening it, you can start working on it. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. So I have a lot of tutorials on Microsoft Word on my channel, so you can check them out. That's it for the video. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.